Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a title to your website in Squarespace. A clear site title helps visitors quickly understand your brand and purpose. First, we open the browser. Once in the browser, we go to squarespace.com. When the page loads, we log into our account. After logging in, we open the profile menu. Click here and then go to the account dashboard. Once in the dashboard, we select our website to edit it. Select the website. Now, we go to Website Settings to add the title. Go to the website and click Edit. This is the title. We can edit it. When the page finishes loading, we click here. Click the pencil icon to edit or set the title. When finished, just click Save. Here, we can also configure the logo. We can edit the title as well. We can modify it by changing fonts. We can change the buttons, too. Let's go to the button. Click the font. Choose a font. For example, we choose this one. We can select any font we prefer. Once we're done, click Save. When it's saved, everything is set. That's how we add a title to a Squarespace website. With the right title, the site will look more professional and recognizable.